You come to your car, and when you turn the key, all you do is click. Problem could be right here in the battery. It's either that the wire is loose and you can just twist it a little bit, or it's the corrosion buildup. Need to be cleaned off. You can clean this corrosion off several different ways. If you have a screwdriver, maybe a fingernail file, something with some sandpaper on it, maybe use the pliers. Anything you can to clean if you don't have a battery cleaning tool. First, take your pliers, loosen the nut on the bolt. It's a lot easier if you have a socket to take this off. Take the wire off and clean it. When you clean around this battery, you also want to clean around the inside of this. You can take your pliers and kind of clean around the batteries so you can get a better connection. You take a screwdriver and clean around it. Get all that build up off of it, where you can start back seeing a silver color instead of a dull color around it. Clean both battery posts and both battery connectors. If you have battery cleaner, spray this on there, let it sit a few minutes, then take your screwdriver or sandpaper wire brush and clean your battery posts and connectors. Once you have everything cleaned off, then tighten your battery connectors. Make sure they're tight. Once you clean everything off and tighten it back up, it should crank. If it don't crank, then you may have to go get a new battery. Worst case, if it's not the battery, then it's the starter.